But the first one, concept of discount factors, spot and zero rates, this is where we will spend quite a lot of time today because swap pricing is all about the first bullet point here. The ability to price a swap is to also to be able to understand this in a very detailed fashion. Some of you might think probably that it is going to be technical, and it is going to be very technical in the sense that at the end of the day, we're dealing with swaps. We're actually pricing, right? So pricing is technical. So we will focus on the pricing in full detail. Even in the last session, we did pricing, but in a very approximate way. So this is going to be slightly technical, but at the same time, understanding this is going to be helpful in general in terms of understanding any pricing aspect when it comes to, for example, you do derivatives for your company, and then there is an MTM which comes, right? Bank gives you MTM. So to be able to understand MTM pricing and so on, I think good understanding of swap pricing is important. This is very practical topic. So I'm not going to bore you too much into too conceptual discussion. We will do in Excel. I'll show you how to price swaps. If you recollect, last time we did a SOFR plus 2% 5-year ECB hedge, right? We did CCS and so on. So we'll try to do it in an Excel way formally. This is exactly how pricing system or a bank's pricing actually works at the back end. Right. So what we're going to do now is exactly how market does it in terms of the pricing. So we'll talk about the first bullet point primarily. This is the most important one. So, but before we do this, right, I will work from backwards in the sense I'll start from how to price a swap and then slowly move towards the concept of discount factors, spot and zero rates to be able to understanding. So I should add here things like formal swap pricing, the actual pricing of a swap.